everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Unpacked that happens on February 9th, and there's only 13 days left in order for you to save additional savings to pre-order not only the Galaxy S22 series, but also the Galaxy Tab S8. Now, where you're able to find this is you can take a look at Samsung.com, or simply on your mobile phone, just go inside of your Shop Samsung application. Now, inside the Shop Samsung application, you're going to see a banner on the very front, and then once you click it, it's going to take you to the screen here. And I'll place the link below the video inside the description. You're able to click, also pin a comment. It'll take you directly to this reserve page, because if you don't reserve it during this 13-day period here, then as you go to pre-order or you buy in store, there's a lot of benefits and savings you will not get. So you might as well go through, you can do this. You don't even have to buy the phone later on if you decide not to. Even if you choose some of the phones to turn in, even if you don't want to do those, you don't have to. This is just getting you a place in line to get those savings. So you can actually do one or both. So let's say that there is only one of these you want to get. Maybe there's just a Galaxy phone, or maybe you want to reserve the Galaxy Tab S8, which is 3 different sizes, 3 different price points, or if you want to go through and do both. So just for the purpose of this video here, I'm going to go with just a Galaxy smartphone, and there is some information that you do have to put in, which is first name, last name, email. The last 2 are optional, so you don't have to put in your zip code or phone number if you don't want to. And then as you scroll on down, there is a few more details I want to share with you, and that's inside of this last area here with this 18 plus and 50 USDC only. So expanding this section here, you can see some very important dates, not only the register, here's the pre-order dates, and then right after that is when the phone actually goes in stores on the 25th. So you can see here that this registration period is from January 21st to February 8th. And then the very next day, which is February 9th, is the Galaxy Unpacked Day. And between this date time frame right here, the February 9th through February 24th, is the reservation in terms of pre-ordering the phone. And then on the 25th, is when you'll actually see it in the stores, which is a Friday. So everything lines up perfectly if you were to take a look at this very last section. So now what I'm going to do is put in my name, and then I'm going to show you some of the devices and things that you're able to trade in, and you can do more than one. Now, once you hit on that reserve page, this is where you can go down and you can talk about those trade-in devices. So if you wanted to trade in a phone, or if you wanted to trade in a tablet, or if you wanted to trade in a wearable for really getting any of those 2 products, the S22 series or the Galaxy Tab S8. So for the phones, you could trade in your Samsungs, Apples, LGs, Googles, Motorola's. If you do choose the option of Samsung, you got your Flip 3, the Fold 3, the S21 FE, the S21, S21 Plus. Now, I will state that if you do have the Galaxy Z Fold 3, I would maybe wait until the Fold 4, just because you'll get maybe possibly a better offer, because I don't think that Samsung is going to go above $700 trade-in. Now, I only state that because if you're to take a look at maybe the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and if you're to compare it versus all the trade-in options from last year, is about $600, $700. I believe it was $700. So I think Samsung's going to do the same thing here, and I don't think that they're going to give you a higher price for that Fold 3. Just being completely honest, I would almost hold that for the next Fold device, unless if you're really done with the foldables, you want to get that S22 Ultra, it's acting more like a Note, then you can choose your Fold 3 if you wanted to, and you can even choose a additional, thing to trade in. Maybe you have an old tablet that you're not using, maybe you have an old Apple product, the Pro 11, 10.5, 9.7, or maybe you have an older Samsung model, maybe you have, the Tab S5e, the Tab S4, Tab S3, you're able to save a little bit more. So if you do this one right here, then you can choose up to 2 different devices, either 2 phones or a phone and a tablet. And then down here, you just want to choose which one you're using. I always go for unlocked. So for me, I personally always buy from Samsung's application or Samsung.com, and I always choose unlock, and then I always trade in my phone from the year before, and that is how I do it every single year. So this is pretty much everything you need to know about the upcoming Galaxy S22 series, the Galaxy Tab S8. Hopefully you guys are interested in these things. If you are, write a comment below the video inside the description. Let me know which ones you guys are getting, as well as make sure you click the link below the video inside the description. It'll take you directly to the reservation page, and it'll also be a pinned comment in the comment section. But if you guys appreciated this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe right over here. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air.